Alright, so I guess I'm going to do the intro in my car. The wind started picking up really bad. There's a storm coming. There's storms all around me. Now I'm second guessing if I should do this video or not. But maybe it'll pass. Hopefully. But welcome to a new video. So today I thought I would finally pick up, well, not finally pick up, I've actually been shooting with it for quite a while, but I thought I would finally do a video with the Polaroid Now Plus camera. So I got this camera when it first released, so that was September of last year, and I really enjoyed it. I've been hearing some really mixed reviews, mostly bad from what I've been reading, but I've talked with some other people that this camera, their experiences with it, and I mean, so far the people that I've been talking with have had really good experience with it so far, and I've had a good experience with it so far. I mean, I've shot one of my not biggest works, but one of my works that I've done, and it's actually pretty cool. It was centered all around deterioration of oneself, and I used the blue duochrome for this series, and it was basically just a series of self-portraits that, you know, would lead up from the first photo to the end, but as each photo progresses, you know, it gets worse and worse, to the point it becomes unrecognizable, and that's one of my best works that I've done, and that was with the Polaroid Now Plus, and I think this camera is good once you get to know it. And with this camera, I've seen, you know, like I said, people have been getting really good results, and then there are others who get really bad results with the camera. That's why I said I get really mixed reviews when I was, you know, actually looking into this camera just now. And now I'm going to share my own experiences with it and stuff like that. So with all that said, I guess we can go ahead, load this camera up, and start shooting around. So the first location I'm at right now is the Cross of Martyrs in Santa Fe. It's like a really cool touristy spot. You get a really good view of Santa Fe like you guys just saw. And the sun is just now setting. It's behind the clouds right now, but it's gonna come out here in a bit. And over here to my left there's some mountains. And you can just see everything from here. It's really beautiful right now, actually. And so I thought I'd test out some landscape shots first with the One Step Plus, not the One Step Plus, the Now Plus. Next I'm gonna get this shot right here, this little walkway leading down that way, and now it's telling me 1/4, which is kind of slow. I mean, there's a possibility for camera shake, so open it up to 1/15 again. So the sun is coming out now, and it looks really beautiful. And I'm gonna take a picture of all these silhouettes right here. Let's bring out the light meter, and f11 640 is 1/60th. You can see it right there, and it's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I got f11 1/15th. Bring that slider down to 1/60th.